What's up guys, this is Joey with Low and Slow Barbecue, and today we are here in Louisiana and we're going to be cooking some ribs. It's going to be good. Check it out. What we want to do first is start trimming up some of these ribs. You got a lot of fat on here, a lot of unnecessary fat, so let's go ahead and trim these up and get them squared away. One of the things we're going to do is we're going to pull this membrane off the back here, so get you a paper towel and kind of get it started, and you can just pull it right on off. Sometimes it's easier than others. I had to go back and get some more of it, but if not, it's hard to get a hold of it. We're going to do that for all of these ribs. We got some that we're working on St. Louis style, and these are just some more spare ribs here. And we're going to clean them up a little bit more here. Now that we have them cleaned up, all of this, we got our rib cutlets over here, our little leftover cuts. Now we're fixing to spray a little bit of this binder on here, a little bit of this secret recipe, if you will. I'm going to spray a little bit of this on here just to kind of help get it wet. Then we're going to put a little bit of SPG, salt, pepper, garlic on here. Then we've got some of this Low and Slow secret sauce here, a little bit of rub that we made up. We're going to apply a generous dosing of that on here. One of the other things we like to do is take all the cuts that we took off of our ribs, or stuff that you don't want to keep. A lot of people, still a lot of really good meat, so we're going to season that up and toss it on the smoker as well. And this is going to cook before the ribs because there's not that much meat, and so we'll get the taste test before it's over with, guys. We got our ribs seasoned up. We've got this master built electric smoker. We've got some wood pellets in here. We've got some smoke tubes. We're fixing to throw these ribs on here. Check it out. All right, these guys have been cooking for about an hour at 250, 275. Check them out. Alright, so once an hour I like to come in here with this little pump bottle, and I've got some apple cider vinegar and a few other things mixed up in here. I like to give them a little bit of a douse. Want to make sure that my meat is staying good and tender. And we're going to close it back up and let them cook for another hour like this, unwrapped. Hey guys, so it's been 2 hours on the heat. It's unwrapped. We're going to go ahead and take these off and wrap them and then put them back in. Now we had to cut some of these ribs in half because the smoker's a little bit smaller than what we used to. But hey guys, here at Low and Slow we make it happen. So it's been 2 hours. We're going to get these out of here. We had to cut these ribs because it's a little bit smaller cooking surface than we're used to. We're going to take them, we're going to wrap them in tinfoil, but before we do that, we're going to spray this foil down a little bit with our mop water. So we had to get a good generous dusting. That's good. Now we're going to take some of these ribs. Check it out, nice and golden here, guys. That's what we're looking for. Nice and tender. Now we're going to place these down. I want them inside that juice. I'm going to kind of wrap them up here, make a little bitty boat out of it, kind of. Make sure that we're holding all of that moisture in there. And you can actually take another piece of tin foil, just double up on it and make sure you're getting a good seal on that. So just like this. Now we've got 8 of these in here, so we're going to do the same exact thing, guys. Hang tight, it's going to be good. These have been here for a total of 4 hours. 2 hours unwrapped, bone side down, meat side up, and 2 hours wrapped in foil. We're about to take them off at 250, 275 for 4 hours total. We're going to put them in the ice chest for a couple hours. It's going to be ready to serve. Hey guys, this is the finished product. Come check this out. So we got some ribs here. We got some sausage, we got some boudin, we got some pork chops, we got some ribs already sliced up, guys. It's gonna be good. I'm glad you guys joined us today. If you like what you've seen, make sure you like and subscribe down below. Share with your friends and comments. And remember, keep it low and slow, guys.